Here is a very simple and delicious stir-fry firm tofu with eggs. The ingredients are 1 block of firm tofu. This is salted seasoning bean curd or tofu, weighing 400 grams. 3 chicken eggs. 2 stalks of spring onions cut into 1-inch length. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of garlic in oil. 1 tablespoon of crispy fried shallots and 3 tablespoons of garlic oil. First, crack the eggs. I like to crack the egg in a separate bowl before putting them all together. In case one of the egg is bad or has spoiled, it will not contaminate the rest of the other eggs. Next, cut the tofu. Remove the tofu from the packet. Normally, tofu comes with a little bit of liquid in the packet, so it is a bit wet. I'm going to give it a wash first. Next, use a dry kitchen towel to absorb the liquids from the tofu. Now, tofu is dry. We can cut it. I'm cutting the tofu to 1 cm cubes. Alright, tofu is ready. Let's cook. Heat the pan. Put in 1 tablespoon of garlic oil. Use the spatula to spread the oil all over the pan and wait for the oil to heat up. Add in all the eggs. 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Give it a stir for 45 seconds or until the eggs are cooked. Add in a bit of cut spring onions and give it a mix. Switch off the heat and remove the eggs from the pan. Set it aside. In the same pan, switch on the heat, add in 2 tablespoons of garlic oil and wait for the oil to heat up. Once oil is hot, add in 1 teaspoon of garlic in oil. Give it a couple of stirs. Add in all the tofu. Give it a stir over the heat until tofu and garlic are well combined. Add in all sesame oil, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, oyster sauce, and the rest of the pepper. Give it a stir for about 2 minutes or until all seasonings are well combined and the tofu is cooked. Next, add in all the spring onions, the cooked eggs, and the rest of the garlic in oil. Stir until well combined. Switch off the heat. Now I can give it a taste. More seasoning can be added as preferred. This is best served immediately once it's cooked. Right before serving, sprinkle some crispy fried shallots. Now we can serve. Let's eat! A tasty dish like this will go well with white rice, or also delicious on its own. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!